Hello kids. Kids, we will trace 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1 to 20. Let's learn colors name. Black, pink, yellow, blue, red, orange, pink, violet, light green, sky blue, brown and green color. Green color. 1, 2, 3. Kids, this is number 4. Kids, this is number 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Kids, read again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.